I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: an eligible Apple device and updated OS, because animated wallpapers rely on System Live Photo and Motion APIs. Next, enable live photos and haptic touch in settings so previews work. Once done, choose your source, record a live photo, convert a GIF in an app, or pick a bundled Apple Live wallpaper. Make sure you have storage and battery headroom. Otherwise, animation may be restricted or quality reduced by background. Now you convert or create the animation. Use the Shortcuts app or a trusted converter to turn GIF or MP4 into a live photo. That's what the system accepts for animated lock screens. While converting, crop and trim to your device's native aspect ratio so the motion looks natural and not stretched. Once saved, move the result into a dedicated album for quick access. Make sure the live photo length is short. Under 3 seconds, keeps memory, use low and playback smooth. To finish, open Photos, tap Share and choose Use as Wallpaper. Select Live Photo and assign to Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both. Press firmly or haptic touch the lock screen to preview motion. Once set, make small adjustments like toggling perspective zoom to avoid unwanted parallax. If playback doesn't work, restart the device and resave the live photo, confirm low power mode is off, and ensure reduce motion is disabled. This one setting commonly prevents animations from playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.